we touch a vow. The fire still lives in me somehow.